Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to download from Spotify to phone, step by step. Let's get started. To begin, open the Spotify app on your phone. If you are on the home screen, look for the green Spotify icon and tap it once. If you do not see it, slowly swipe through your pages until you find the icon with a black background and 3 green curved lines. When Spotify opens, you should see your home tab with suggested playlists and albums across the screen. Now that the app is open, you want to find the playlist or album you want to download. Look along the bottom for the search button and tap it if you need to look for specific music. You can type the name of an artist, album, or playlist into the search bar, then choose the result that matches. A common mistake here is tapping a single song result when you meant to use the full album, so check that the result says album or playlist before you continue. Once you have found the playlist or album you want, open it. Tap anywhere on its name or artwork to go into that page. You should now see the cover art at the top, with the title and the creator just below it, and a list of songs underneath. If you do not see any songs yet, scroll down a little until the track list appears, which confirms you are inside the right playlist or album view. From here, tap the download button. On most phones, this looks like a downward arrow icon near the top of the screen. It is usually just under the playlist or album title, next to the like or follow buttons. When you tap it, the arrow may turn green or start showing a progress circle. A frequent mistake is tapping the like heart instead, which only saves it to your library but does not download it, so make sure you tap the arrow icon. Lahikan goes do was down lake lorainen can pabidistilm dund. You will see each song in the list get a small green arrow icon when it has completed. If your internet connection is slow, the progress may move gradually, so give it time and avoid closing the app completely while it is still downloading. If the download stops partway, it usually means the connection dropped, and it will continue once your internet is stable again. Once the download icon indicates completion, you can listen to the music without an internet connection. At this point, every track in that playlist or album should show a small green downward arrow next to it. That is your visual sign that the music is stored on your phone inside Spotify. If you go into airplane mode or lose signal later, these tracks will still play normally from this same playlist or album page. Next up, let us look at individual songs. Spotify does not provide a separate download option for individual songs. If you want one song offline, add the song to a playlist first, then download that playlist the same way. This works because Spotify downloads at the playlist or album level, so putting a single track into its own playlist is a simple way to treat it like a solo download. Now we will talk about using mobile data for downloads. Spotify normally downloads using Wi-Fi to save on your data plan. If you want to use mobile data instead, start by tapping your profile picture in Spotify, usually at the top left or top right of the screen. This opens a menu where you can reach your settings area. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. Tap the option that says Settings and Privacy to open the main settings page. You will see several sections here with different headings related to your account, audio quality, and app behavior. If you ever feel lost, you can always back out with the System Back button to return to the previous screen. With that ready, look for Data Saving and Offline. Tap Data Saving and Offline to open it. Inside this section, you will see controls that affect how much data Spotify uses and when it is allowed to download. Many beginners do not realize that these settings take effect immediately when you change them. There is no extra save button here. Now turn on Download using Cellular. Find the switch labeled Download using Cellular and tap it once so it slides to the right and changes color. This tells Spotify it is allowed to use your mobile data connection when downloading music. The real trade-off is that large downloads can use a lot of your monthly data, so if you are on a limited plan, you may want to turn this switch back off after you finish. At this point, there are a few important things to know about how downloads work. Music downloads require Spotify Premium, so if you only have the free version, you will not see offline download options. The downloads stay inside the Spotify app and are not saved as regular MP3 files in your phone files or music folder. Spotify recommends having at least 1 GB of free storage so that there is room for the songs. You also need to go online at least once every 30 days, otherwise your downloaded content will stop working offline until you reconnect to the internet. You have now downloaded your Spotify music to your phone and learned how to control offline and data settings. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.